welcome to my channel. This is Ogomadi. How are you guys doing? Okay guys, still on the cake recipe. Oh, when I say cake, low carb cake recipe. Okay, so this is the third day. Remember, I'm throwing down some cake recipes until October 12th, which is my birthday. Anyway, today we're gonna be making keto coffee cake. Yay! One of my best because I love me some coffee. Alright, so stay tuned. Let me show you how to put this together. Very simple, very quick. In 35 to 40 minutes, we should be done. Alright, so thank you. All first for the first time, my name is Ogomadi. Thank you for joining my channel. You're welcome. Please go down there and subscribe. Tap on that button. You'll see a little bell come up. Please tap on it so you get notification every time I upload any video. And to you, my amazing returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. God bless you. So let's go into making of this cake. Guys, these are the ingredients which you're gonna be using. You need the main thing, which is coffee. This is instant coffee. You need a sweetener. I'm using Erythritol. You could use any sweetener of choice. You're gonna need baking soda, some heavy whipping cream, and baking powder, vanilla, unsalted butter, of course coconut flour, but you could use almond. If you're not on keto or low carb diet, you could just use all-purpose flour, but if you're on low carb, go ahead, use either coconut or almond. I already measured out the sweetener. You're going to be needing 5 eggs, 5 large eggs, and melted butter and hot water, like 3 tablespoons of hot water. I already took the pleasure of measuring them out. I'm just showing it to you so you know what you need. I'm also going to add everything, the ingredients and the measurements in the description box below. You're going to be needing your pan. Today I'm using this because I need it to come out kind of a rectangular shape. And of course, another bowl which I'm going to be using to share the batter into 2. And I have here 3 tablespoons of hot water to use in mixing the coffee. If you have coffee extract, you could also use that. I don't have it, so I'm just sticking to what I have. All right, let's start making this keto coffee cake. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna put the coffee in a bowl and add the water and the pour so I could get everything out. Add your hot water. If you have the coffee extract, this is the time to put it in. If not, we just go ahead and stir. Make sure everything is well mixed. If you don't want too much, this is 2 tablespoons of coffee. If you don't want it too smelly or too fragrant, just use probably 1 tablespoon, but this is 2 tablespoons. I love me some coffee. All right, so we're gonna set this one aside. The next thing we're gonna do is let's make our dry ingredients over here. Guys, we're mixing the coffee. If you're using the coffee extract, this is the time to put it in. If not, just mix the coffee and set aside. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix the dry ingredients. Your sweetener, your coconut, the sweetener, basically all the dry, the baking soda, baking powder. Give it a good mix. Make sure they combine together. I think I should just use, yeah, this is better. If you want, you could use your stand mixer or your hand mixer. Doesn't matter. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and add the eggs. Make sure your eggs are in room temperature. Add the butter. Scoop out everything. Look at me trying to make a mess here. And the heavy whipping cream. This is like the binder kind of. And then we're going to whisk everything to combine, all right? I'm adding the vanilla. Give it a last mix. You can skip the vanilla. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna share this, like 1/3 of this will be going into this bowl, just like 1/3 of it. What I'm trying to do is to mix the coffee into the 1/3, and then I give it a swirl. So now we pour the coffee into this portion, give it a mix. So now, so guys, it's now to pour out the batter. I'm gonna be using parchment paper. You know, it helps to make it easy to come out. So we pour in this one. If you have a non-stick baking pan, you don't need parchment paper. I have it, but I don't feel like using it. So just level it up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, scoop in some of the mixture with the coffee. Just any side, anyhow you like. It's just a design that I'm trying to make. My pan seems to be small. I should have gotten a wider pan, probably. Anyway, that's fine. Okay, my oven is being preheated. It's already, I think it's already ready. So what I just want to do here is, just kind of swirl it around. And then it's gonna go into the oven for like 35 to 40 minutes. So we'll see you back. Alright, so see you guys soon. Okay guys, welcome back again. It's 35 minutes and it's out of the oven. So before I start slicing it, I'm gonna do the usual thing, which is allowing it to cool down for 10 to 15 minutes before we slice. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna take it off the baking pan to stop the baking process. Okay, so let's give it 15 minutes and then we'll be right back and we'll slice it and we'll see how our keto coffee cake looks like.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish